In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pricing options to your Whop. We'll walk through the process step by step. So by the end, you'll know exactly how to set up multiple prices for a single product, whether that's different plans, billing cycles, or access levels. First, head over to your Whop Business Home dashboard and log into your account. This is your main control center, where you can see all of your products, customers, and overall performance. Make sure you're in the business or creative view, not the customer side, so that you can actually manage your products. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the section or tab labeled Products and click on it. This is where all of your existing products are listed. If you don't see anything yet, that just means you haven't created a product. But don't worry, the pricing process is the same whether the product is new or already existing. Find the product you want to add pricing options to. On the right-hand side of that product row, you'll see a small menu icon, usually shown as 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots. This opens up a quick menu with a few management options for that specific product. The idea here is that you're telling Whop exactly which product you'd like to edit. From that small menu, select Edit. This will take you into the full product editor, where you can change things like the title, description, images, and of course, pricing. Give the page a moment to load, and then start scrolling down until you see the section labeled Pricing. The pricing section is where all of your current pricing options are listed. If it's a new product, you might only see one default price, or possibly none yet, depending on how far you got in the initial setup. This is where we'll add more options. Look for a button that says Add Pricing Option and click on it. When you do this, Whop will create a new pricing line for you. Here you can set details like the price amount, currency, and whether it's a one-time payment or a recurring subscription. Take a moment to fill these out carefully so they match your offer. If you want to give your customers more choices, click Add Pricing Option again to create another one. You can repeat this as many times as you need until you're satisfied with the range of options, such as monthly, quarterly, or yearly plans. Once you're done adding and adjusting your pricing options, review everything, then save your changes so they go live on your product.